Hey, it's the old salt miner here, and guess what the old salt miner bought? Yep, he bought him a CR10 3D printer. And this is my very first print, and it is going to be a propane bottle cap. I thought I'd print something useful, and I need one. So here it is. You'll get an update a little bit later in this video, and I think it's really cool. You can really see how these things work. Just building it out. It's narrower at the bottom, and then it builds it out as it goes up, and then it'll go straight up here in a little bit. It has little ripples to hang on to, and it also builds the thread in. The white that you see at the bottom on the green tape is what they call a base, and that keeps it from slipping around while it's being built. It's really incredible how these things work. Talk to you later.
I don't. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. In less than an hour, aircraft from here will join others from around the world. And you will be launching
The old salt miner here, and this is my second, well, it's actually my fourth, but it's my second different drawing. And this is a rose, and that's its support structure, which I've already broke loose. There you see the support structure. And here's the rose. Beautiful. Come out great. There's a couple more of those propane bottle caps I made to begin with. I'm really thinking this rose is really nice. Cool. Alright, the old salt miner sporting the CR10 CR10. I'd say if you're going to get one, this is the one to get.